Hello everybody, fellow crypto enthusiasts. Welcome to the spectacular world of crypto in our channel Crypto Halloween, where we unmask the mysteries of this world. But before that, don't forget to put like, comment to this video, and follow to our channel to receive notification about all our videos. So let's go now and see you after this intro. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Before beginning in our video, don't forget to put subscribe in our channel, a like to this video, and comment when you finish this video. So let's go now and begin. So our video will be about Bybit, the launch of the crypto cards of Bybit, the platform that's been launched in 2018 and become trusted name for crypto enthusiasts worldwide. And with over 10 million users, it's your go-to platform for spot trading, stacking, and more. So, what is the key points to cover? Bybit is first of all, user-friendly interface, the tools for beginners and pro traders, for example, leverage trading, stacking, and educational resources, a highlights of security features and how it earns trust in the crypto space, and a lot of other features. So if you haven't checked the Bybit yet, what are you waiting? Hit the link in the description before any time you lose. But for now, let's talk about the new feature in this platform. Is they launched a card that you can use it directly from the platform. As you see here, one of the features of the card is some users will have 10% cashback, and this cashback is up to $600. Yeah, $600. You can learn more from here about this cashback. Also, any kind of cryptocurrency supported, including BTC, Ethereum, XRP, Tron, and USDT and USDC, also MNT and BNB, other more options in the future. Also, you can pay using the crypto or fiat balance, and the fiat balance support USD. This is an illustration of the card or from the application of the card in the phone. It's very user friendly. So, 100% rebate on the selected partners. Enjoy 100 rebate of selected partners to purchase or to supercharge your card rewards. For example, they work with Netflix, Spotify, Prime, ChatGPT, TradingView, and you can see more by just clicking here, and you will see more about their partners with all the features that all partners have with these cards. Also, you can earn between 2 to 10% cashback for every expense. Also, the right article, you will find it here with all the things that you will need in detail. Unlock more exciting features. Go virtual and spend instantly, so they support Apple Pay, Google Pay, and also Samsung Pay. Earn up 8% EPR on your ideal funds. Also free card issuance and no annual fees, so it's zero fees for this card. And also for the first 100 USD for every month, you will have it by ETM for free. After that, 2% will be applied. Free worldwide delivery of your card by DHL. So a physical credit card by Bybit will be delivered to your home safely, and you can use it in any ATM. Also, payment provider option may differ by region, and ATM renewable availability and fees are subject to regional variation. Okay, so it depends on each country. So the Bybit card is baked features that make it stand out from traditional debit and credit cards. And also, this card are well secure. As you see, your assets are protection. So the Bybit's cutting edge protection, you can personalize your setting, maintain local and total control over your account. They have a dedicated fraud and security team focused on keeping your assets secure, two-factor authentication, and also you can freeze your card whenever you want by just using the Bybit app. So how to start the crypto life with the card of Bybit? First of all, create the account. Verify your personal details and proof of address. Like the previous video, you must verify first of all the email. After that, the personal details with your national card or passport or whatever you want, and also proof of address by using the card. The step 3 is once approved, you can use the card of Bybit immediately. So that's it. You can also find here some questions that frequently asked and their answers here. Okay. So for now, let's get our card. Get your card. I will choose which country for me. I will use Morocco. And as you see here, I have already verified my identity. So next, after that, I must enter the address. For example, I will enter my address very quickly. So here, don't forget to add the postal code. It's optional, but it's good for card. So why you will use the Bybit? For me, let's say that trading on Bybit. I'm self-employed, also self-employed income. Annual incomes, let's say that between $10,000 and $100,000. So next now we must verify our mobile from here, and also don't forget to check that from here. And now your virtual card application is under review, so we'll wait. After that, when it's available, we will continue the video. Our application has been succeed. So card dashboard, and this is our card. You can deposit from here, you can check your limits from here, for example account and ATM, the limits of the account from here, and also from the ATM day by month and also by year. Okay, they mentioned also the earn of 10% cashback here. It's ongoing now. You can have the road of to VIP by reaching these numbers, and also you can copy numbers just by clicking here. You can manage your card also by clicking here, manage my card, and here you will have all the details from A to Z. So the card details from here. You can freeze the card by clicking here, and you have this message. You must confirm it, but for now we will not need to do that. More options like reset pin, lost, stolen, or terminate the card. For me, I will not do that because I'm just illustrating the card. You can use the card in multiple platforms, and as you see, there is partnership between Netflix, between Spotify, that they will ensure cashbacks until 10%. So this is it for our video of today. I guess we have talked about all the things about this card added in the Bybit platform. Thank you for your trust. Don't forget to put like another time to our video, comment to see your vision about this new feature in the platform, and see you in the next video.